Here we have a Currawong that wants to be fed. So therefore, I'm going to have to go and get a biscuit. Right, turn the radio off, and I shall return. Okay, Charlie, are you ready to do this? How's that, eh? Not bad, animal familiars. And here we have the Choughs. And we've just seen Charlie get fed, so they all want to be fed. You're welcome, girls. See? Everybody has to have a piece of the action. Thank you. And here we have the Bowerbird, who's seen everybody else get fed. So now, Bobby Bowerbird would like to have some. Come on, Bobby. It's only a camera. That's a boy. Satin Bower Bird was the first of the animals to realise that I threw away food that was good. He's got a bower across the other side of the clearing. And now, the Choughs come in for what Bobby didn't want. It's all very organised.